Okay guys, so I went to the greenhouse yesterday and I got a bunch of plants to decorate the porch. I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so I got a lot of smaller stuff and hopefully they will grow to fill the pots. All these plants were about $100 and I already put this one together over here. And so hopefully as they grow over the summer, they'll spread out and fill each of the pots. I'm so grumpy today, so I didn't really want to film, but I figured I'd get it out. I got this really pretty flower, but it's looking like it's dying very quickly, probably because of the temps. So we'll see about that one. To the geranium. Can you say geranium? Put it right here. Not on the flower, put it in here. In here. Good job. What else should we put in there, Roan? I don't know. No, not on the flower. That hurts the flower. We want to put the dirt below the flower. It helps the flower grow, not on the flower. Can you put it right here? Good job. Right in there. Nope, not on top of the flower. You a bagel? What? Say. Cream cheese. Say it. Cream cheese. Oh. Cream cheese. You got the hiccups? You ready for buy a cream cheese? Cream cheese. What about bagel? Bagel. You don't want to bite? I do. Yummy. What are you doing? You enjoying yourself? You got your saw?
This magic moment.
Alright, we just got a new box from Love Every, so we're going to go ahead and open it because we need something new to do. What's this? Okay guys, Love Every, you've heard me talk about it a million times, and it is amazing. They have a timeline of what toys to use first. Always comes with a book, which these are his favorite books by far because they have the real people in the pictures and he absolutely loves them, don't ya? We are so excited for this one, Roan. Look! What is this? These Playkits, you've heard me talk about them a million times, but they really are the best. If this is your first child and you are starting with nothing, getting a Love Every subscription, you never have to buy a toy. You never have to think about what will my child like. You never have to like put any effort into their learning because Love Every has already done it all for you. It is literally an instruction manual to your child. So everyone comes with a little booklet like this. It teaches you how to use each of the toys, why each of the toys is so important for the developmental stage that they're at. So this has ways to play, expert tips, developmental info, and at-home activities. So it goes through each of the playthings. It talks about like your child and you, so like what your child may be doing at this age, and what they may like. And then it goes through all the playthings and how to use them. So why do this, how to do it, and then it has more activities at the end like little cleaner and just ways to incorporate your child into your life, different ideas that you can use at home without buying anything, little fruit sensory play. Like this is so cute, and it even includes like serving ourselves and different things you should be practicing with your child at each age. So my biggest thing is like if you plan on having lots of kids, you have all the toys you need by just getting one play or getting the subscription, getting the toys each month, and then keeping them for every child to use. And they're such high quality toys. They're made from sustainable products and they're gonna last literally a lifetime. They keep him busy for so long, and so he has a little shelf and I just interchange them in the shelf. So if you guys are interested in trying out Love Every, you can click the link in the description down below. Yeah. You bite? Ready? Let me show you how. Pull up.